Well, this is the last video in the WordPress Made Easy course. And even though it's the end of the course, it's really just the beginning of your WordPress journey. Now, I know that sounds a little bit cheesy, but if you've been following along with this course from the very beginning, we went through how to set up hosting, how to get your WordPress installation set up, get logged in, how to use page builders, the difference between pages and posts. You've learned so much already, but there's still so much to do with WordPress. I'm already in the process of creating more advanced trainings for Elementor, for WP Fusion, for LearnDash, and WooCommerce. But if there's anything else you want to know about, I would like to be the person to help you along. So definitely leave me a message down below or reach out to me on the Facebook group. And I hope you've enjoyed this course and you have a bright future ahead of you with whatever business you choose to start with WordPress as the foundation. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next review.